Hello everyone, you're welcome to 5 minutes with Noku. Shifu. I'm the Shifu. Alright, quickly I'll show you how I make this design. As simple as this design may look, you might not know what you're learning while trying. So I encourage you after this tutorial to try this design, send it back to me. Let me have it. Let me see how we're moving together to learn how the progress is growing so that we'll know where next to move. So I want to make this as fast as possible. Don't worry, it's a tutorial, so you can always rewatch and rewatch again. All right, so Control N. All right, I have my settings, new, okay. All right, I'll be turning on this camera right now. Okay, let's open this. I think I had it before. Okay, so that we know that we are right on track. Okay, good. Right now, the first thing that we need to bring in is the backgrounds. Okay, so where are the backgrounds? I bring a blue sky. Okay, let's increase that and kind of make it a little bit bigger. Yes, we don't have much time, so let's go and bring a desert. You can always download some of these pictures online. Just go online and say desert. All right, so this is a desert. You can actually increase this a bit. Control A, put this, Control D to the select. All right, we don't need this. We don't need all these places. We don't need it. So what do? You come here and pick quick selection tool. Just click in the area. Go. All right, we find edges. New layer. This place can always, you see that this place is a bit sharper. So when you reduce the opacity, when you try and move it, you see that it's softer. So okay, we're good with that. All right, we have a good background. So let's go and look for model. Instead of delaying our time, I already have a model, so I don't want to be going into that. All right, so because this is beautiful. Yes, so I went online, I downloaded a camel. Yeah, a camel. So I already downloaded a PNG camel. So you can always go online and get a PNG, a camel, a PNG file of whatsoever you want. And here we are. Yeah, just place this here. I don't need this rope. And you press B for brush. B for brush, and let's remove all this. Yeah. Okay, so take it back. Take it behind the model. Yeah. You see, this is how I created. It's just the shape, and I blow them. I duplicated her and I bring it down. Just drag it down. I drag it right from here. I drag it down, pressing my control. So and let's increase this opacity a little bit so that she looks a little bit. Yeah. Really okay, and we're good to go. Now these are done. Oh yeah, pick your pen tool, and click here. You want to undo, just okay. Shape. Click here, and you have to bring it behind the block, Gaussian block. Click OK. You want it to be a little bit okay, then move it down a little bit. Yes, move it down a little bit. Just increase that, increase this also to make it look a little bit real, and we are good to go on that. So I think this camera is too big, kind of. Alright, so this looks so perfect. Now let's come here without wasting much of our time. The name of this font, you can always download this font anywhere. The name of is 20 singles. 20 singles. Yeah, I guess somebody's thinking of ladies right now. Come on, that's not cool. Alright, so I have the name of my company already. So you can always do this. Because I don't want to waste much of our time. Control A and put it in center. Control D to the select, and we're good to go. So you have your own contacts. So you want to put your contact, Move it up a bit. Control A. Don't mind me, I'm already centered. It's centered already. Control D. And now this design is good to go. Yeah, I'm guessing you're looking at, oh wow, this is so beautiful, and you know, in a short period of time, and we're able to achieve this. So right now, this is what we're going to do, and there are ways to actually make your job spice up your job a bit. You know, look for backgrounds. Okay, blue. I have one right here, so let me just click quickly. Okay, increase it by Control Alt and drag. Shift plus Alt rather to drag, and let's put this on screen and 15. Yeah, and we're good to go. So before and after. So what are you looking at? This thing. So let's create this. I don't want to drag it, so I know you all know how to create. So pick your shape tool, do this. I want you to do like this, you know, and you know, just drag it a bit. You can actually press A to, you know, to smoothen any image you don't like. So right there, press P back so that it can come back to shape, and turn it into shape, and we're good to go. I don't want to waste much of our time, so that's good. V, and decrease the size, and you know, so Control J for duplicate, you know, move it out a little bit. Control T for transformation, for flip transform and horizontal flip, and you know, we have this. So right now, let's go and click on this. I'm sure we're good to go. So look at this. Yeah, I guess we are very close. So thank you for, you know, thank you for this beautiful tutorial that you've watched today. I want you all to try to please subscribe at this button that you're looking at underneath this video, and go into the description place to actually comment. Please kindly comment and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification so that you can always get much of our video. Thank you so much. This is 5 minutes with Knuckle Fix. God bless you. Bye. Shifu.